see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? But at some point we must upgrade, sugar. And when we fight, no one wants to start. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back?
Good morning guys. Today is Saturday, January 22, and ayan, tinatanggal na ni Daddy kasi siya raw ang may alam kung paano ito tanggalin kasi tinuruan daw siya ni Kylie. Sabi ko, okay.
Then you're gonna go to nails.
Yes.
Then you're gonna eat something while she's doing it. That's quick. I thought I had to do it.
No, we're just
And then
gonna...
you have to go shopping.
I-enroll ko rin si Sak sa dancing. Yeah? Huh?
Shopping.
Yes, kuya. I'm gonna go. Alright, I'm gonna go shopping. So, mag-ayos na rin ako, guys, habang si Jan ginagawa niya yung book ni Holly. Okay? Ayan na, hindi pa ako tapos mag-ayos sa sarili ko. Ha? Yeah. Old grandma daw siya. Kasi ayan na yung itsura. Like,
Please don't touch me.
Grandma.
I look like spaghetti noodles.
spaghetti noodles, yeah.
I'm wearing anything. Yeah, then she's gonna look.
Honey, look!
I look
Use the straightener thing.
Wait, Baba!
I'm Obama.
Come on, ayusin natin. Napaka-curl naman. Napaka-curl, Baba. Come here. Nakabihis na ako. Sobrang init ngayon. How many degrees today, babe? Babe?
30 off.
30?
Yeah.
Sobrang init kaya nakaganito tayo. Ito yung ating suot today. Wait. So, ayan guys. Naka-maxi dress tayo. Matagal na to sa akin. Favorite ko to. Yes, babe. Ayan. Yes, please. I-on nyo na yung aircon sa car kasi sobrang init ngayon. Ayan si Kirara. Ang ganda ng aking Kirara. Kulot na kulot ang buhok niya.
It feels so nice when you do this.
Oh, okay.
I put
See?
machine in car seat already.
Yan yung suot natin today. Isama ko si Sak kasi nga
Hang on. Stay.
i-enroll ko siya sa dancing. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, pag hindi niya naman gusto, pwede naman siyang hindi tumuloy. Pero sabi ko, itry niya lang kasi lagi ko siya nahuli sumasayaw. So sabi ko, bakit di ka na lang mag-enroll doon sa school ni Holly? Ito yung mga tinanggal ni John. Wow! Tingnan niyo siya. Come here.
Hey, let me see if that's
Come here. Baba, here. Kumuha siya ng
bag. Shoulder bag.
shoulder bag.
Have to pack stuff in here.
What kind?
There's
No.
more stuff in here, so I won't.
Alright. And gamit ko yung Dasik na water lip tint. Evening. Ano ba yung niya? Basta, isa doon. So, naka-water, lang tayo. Water lip tint lang. And then, cushion na my favorite yung lights, camera, action. Yun yung suit ko, guys. And, kung gusto nyong itry, link down the description box ng aking car shop. Come on, Papa! Diba, nakapag-ano pa ako. Nakapag-promote pa tayo. Come on! Si Kuya Alicia, tsaka si Jan kasi, imimit nila yung
This phone. This phone.
yung coach sa
This phone.
sa Melbourne. Yung it's not your coach. What you call that? Organizing the golf competition. Yung US Kids. So, imimit nila kasi nandito siya ngayon sa Bay. So, yun din ang ganap ng mag-ama. Si Sak sa akin siya. Okay. Okay, wait lang. Pinapalitan ko yung bag ni Holly kasi naalala ko, mayroon pa ako dyan ng mga hindi ko pa sa inyo na-unbox. Meron akong in-order kay Holly na mga shoulder bag. Sa US siya galing. And, ang tagal lang ng shipping, mga 1.5 months bago nakarating. Ito yung isa, ipakita ko sa inyo. Ang cute. Yung siya na fashion na mga designer bag para sa mga bata.
It looks like that.
Tadan! Ayan guys, ang cute. Chanel inspired na pang bata ba? Ayan. And meron din na,
Is that a belt?
yes. Kasi may Gucci akong belt. So, mayroon siya din. Ang cute. So, ipasuot natin to. Wait lang. Ko kay Holly. Pasuot natin. Try natin dito sa dress niya kung pwede to.
Mom,
Yes.
that said, when you turn on the air conditioner on, press the I'll show you when you're in the car.
Okay. Ay, ang ganda ng belt niya. Malambot lang yung
You're
niya.
doing it
Just wait, Sak. Si Sak, minamadali na naman ako. Wait, honey.
Go.
Yeah.
Mom, you may check this.
No, wait.
Mom, you got some messenger.
Okay. Okay, wait lang. Hindi, okay.
Mom, you can't try that on. Look, I don't have like those.
It's alright. It's just like a style, Papa. Style. Okay. Ang bakit malaki sa'yo?
What's that?
A belt.
It's just a belt. It's just like a fashion babe. Let me see, Baba. Oh, see? Fashion. And eto si Sak, binuksan niya na. Ayan yung kanyang bag. Kinuha ko yellow. One day, i-haul ko sa inyo yung mga iba pang kulay. Ang cute!
Smell this TJ.
Ang tagal lang nito dumating. Akala ko nga na naloko. So, let me see. Oh, wait. Wow. Wait, Baba. I will adjust the...
That's all.
No, it's too long, honey.
I can't even raise my arm.
Yeah, it's too long. We can adjust this. So, ayan. In-adjust ko lang yung length nito.
Grandmother.
You're not a
That's
grandma.
not good already.
Ha? Ayan.
I'm cute.
So, arty talaga. Okay? Let me see. Ayan siya, guys. No,
If there was yellow dress, I can like.
no it's
wear-
alright. Okay, alis na kami kasi.
Let's go, Maka.
Ginagano na ako ni Jen. Okay,
Stuff in the
let's go. And eto rin pala, guys. Mayroon din siyang mga sunnies na iba-ibang kulay. So, eto.
So,
Oh, see, honey. Okay. Bye. Okay. Baba, no, you have to wear it. It's not gonna fit there.
Well, I'm gonna go put stuff.
What?
Bye. See you.
No, I can actually put stuff in here.
Yeah, later na, Baba. Let's go because Daddy. Okay. Wow! I hope I don't forget anything. Okay, battery. Cell phone. Where's my cell phone? Alright, galit na si Sir John. Bye!
Train on the way back.
Okay, bye! Dito na kami guys sa town. Unahin ko lang muna magpa-enroll sa dalawang to dito sa dancing lesson. We are done! Na-enroll ko rin si Sak, pero anytime, pag hindi niya gusto, pwede siyang i-cross out sa class na yon. Junior hip-hop dance. Hindi siya, ganyan lang siya, nakaganon lang siya, nakayuko lang siya the whole time. Si Holly umakyat, nag-tour, kahit alam na ni Holly kung anong itsura ng dance room niya. Si Sak, hindi siya umakyat. Sa baba lang kasi yung registration. Okay. Yes, Kmart.
We wanted.
It's alright. Kain na muna kami ng lunch. Pili si Sak ng kanyang favorite. Ano? Which one, Sak? This one? Yeah, the crispy chicken. The cucumber. Yeah? How many? 2? Okay. Ang layo ng mga upuan ngayon, guys, kasi nga ang daming cases namin dito sa SH. So, tingnan nyo. Oh. Where are you gonna sit, Baba? Next to me? Okay. Oh. Oh, Baba? It's still? Wala pa yung order namin ni Holly. Nag-order kaming hotdog sa Wendy's. Pardon? Yeah. Pag gusto niya pa raw, kung pwede pa raw siyang bilan. Sabi ko, oh.
I want to have a bar. I'm really hungry.
Yeah, gutom na raw siya. Ang cute ni Holly sa buhok niya. Baba, you like your hair? What? Okay, don't forget it, okay? Ito na yung food namin ni Saki. Ay, ni Saki. Ni Holly. Si Sak. Paubos na. You want more? You want? Okay. Where's the other one? Yeah, but I got another one. Wait lang. Kulang yung binigay niya sa akin. So, wala akong smoothie kasi hindi niya raw nasabay. So, wala akong... Oh, thank you. Okay. I-share niyo na lang sa akin. May buhok. Buti nasa labas. Iyo. So, yeah. Yung pagkain namin ni Holly hotdog from Wendy's. Ha? Oh, that's not banana. That's mango.
Mango?
Because the lady didn't take the banana one. She forgot. Is it alright? Can I try? Ito dapat pala sa akin. It's too late now, love. You can have this. Yung kaysak palang wala, yung banana. Sure. You wanna try the watermelon? Okay, kain muna kami, guys. Yeah. You like it? Nice. Masarap to yogurt mango. Come on. Eat your hot dog, please. You like that? Refreshing. Try ko nga. Yeah, yummy. Inutusan ni Holly na picturean niya. Inuutusan ni Holly si Kuya sa akin na picturean siya. Cute nila. Kung follower ko kayo sa Instagram, mayroong pinost na bagong photos ni Holly. Ang cute niya doon. Check nyo guys or i-insert ko dito yung mga walang Instagram. Okay. My other phone you can. Your nails too. Dito na pala kami guys. Not yet, not yet. Sobrang haba na ng nails to guys. Oh. And eto kasi sumasabit na siya. Oh, bumuka na to. Ito lang ata yung hindi nag-crack na SNS na nilagay sa akin. Pardon?
I just took them off.
Yeah. Natanggal na yung old.
Your nails are long.
Yeah, I know. Yung old SNS. Ganyan kahaba yung nails ko, guys. Yan yung sito nating nails pag walang SNS. Ang haba, diba? So, ngayon pili tayo ng kulay. Meron na naman silang bagong labas. Mga glittery naman po. Ayan po. So, more nakakahilo kung anong pipiliin mo daw sa dami nila. Tapos na kami magpa-nails. Holly, show your nails. Siya nagpili. Ginaya niya yung akin.
This side over to pink.
No. Why you
But I
did?
can do that next time.
Alright.
I already asked for that.
Did you? Did you?
No, you said all pink and...
I didn't know because I thought she wants the
Look at yours.
pink one.
Well, I'm pretty much the same.
Yeah, kasi gusto niyang kopyan yung akin. Nagpa-ombre ako, guys. Hindi ko lang makita niyo may sa bahay na lang. Punta muna tayo dito sa Kmart. Nakalimutan kong kumuha ng cart. Kailangan ko ng... Meron silang stock, guys. Kung maalala nyo, naghahanap ako ng storage box. Kasi nga, di ba may inad akong pang-decorate ng Christmas. So, bilan natin sila ng magandang lalagyan para maganda pa rin sila for next year. For this year. Ang cute naman ito. And, yung dalawa kumuha ng, kumuha sila ng cart. Ang cute nitong, round rattan table lamp. Ang cute niya, diba? Ay, hindi nyo makita. Ayan. Ganda siya. Cutie. Ayan na si Sak tsaka si Holly. Parang kang rockstar, Holly, dyan sa buhok mo tsaka sa shades mo. Come on. Ito ang kunin ko. Ganito lang kalaki. Siguro dalawa. Sak, could you help me please? Get two, please. Two. Yes.
I got it.
You got it? Okay.
One lid.
Two. Yeah. No. Another one.
Yeah, but you need
Yeah, of course. Yeah, no. Get one of these first. Good boy. Wait, Zach, wait. Two, please. Thank you. Make sure it's not broken, okay? Check it first. Alright. And I need itong wooden stand. Yeah. I need this one. Okay. Oops, hindi siya kasya. Ganyan na lang. Alright. I don't think so it's gonna fit, Zach. It's alright. It's alright. Yeah, Baba. Oh, are you a baby? You're not a baby. It's alright, come on. Si Zach, may gusto siyang... May ano pa ako, may... Si Zachary, may gusto raw siyang bag dito. May nakita raw siyang bag. Para daw for school.
Sticky note, you know those?
Oh.
It can be a love heart shape. I saw them in that corner. I really wanted that.
Really? Si Zach, gusto niya ng bag dito.
Can I buy a bag?
You want this one? Alright.
Can I have a bag?
Kasi ano, unzips. Para sa pasukan. Lunchbox? Gusto niya talaga, terno-terno. Okay. Okay.
Is it the drink bottle of it?
Oh, you still have the drink bottle, Zach? No, I got it, you remember?
Yep, but I already like my drink bottle.
Huh?
I'm having my own drink bottle.
Yeah, you do
I
have.
have my drink bottle.
Yeah, that's right. So you don't need to buy one.
I want it.
Ito, meron na siyang na-shopping para sa pasukan. Okay?
I want a bag. But
You don't need.
have one.
That's right.
But if it's all like so stinky, well, mine's like
Yes.
Mine's 2 years old, and you smelled my stink.
Yes, you need a new one.
I'll miss you, sticky note.
Holly, come here, Papa.
But we don't need it now. Let's have one.
Maybe I will get two.
Why?
Yeah, because Dad's gonna get one from Tracy. But there's other ones, Mum. There's the big square ones too.
This
I
one?
love this.
No, I think they're like something. Yes, I'm sure.
Alright.
Because I've seen someone wear it.
I'll miss this one.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Let me see. So, kinuhaan ko si Holly ng uniform.
I'm gonna get
What are you doing, Baba?
I put a love heart on it.
Okay, ang ganda. Nagbabayad na pala kami. Ayun, yun pa pala yung mga iba pa namin kinuha. Yes?
I wanted a sticky note
Mm-hmm.
so I can like draw something on the paper and then I can like stamp it on the paper, the
Alright.
sticky note, and then send it to Veronica. That's why I'm
Gusto niyang isend kay Veronica yung isa.
And this one's mine.
And this is?
Mine?
Which one's Veronica? What color?
Purple.
Purple. Okay. Pumunta pala kayo. Thank you! You're welcome! Pumunta pala kayo dito sa Brass and Things. May kinuha lang tayo. Sobrang init, guys. Hindi ko mahawakan yung manibela kasi sobrang init niya.
I wet myself on purpose.
Yeah. Hinubad na ni Sak and then binasa niya na yung sarili niya kasi sobrang init. Ito, hindi ko pa mahawakan kasi mainit siya. As in, sobrang init. Si Sak, did you burn yourself here, Sak? Ha? Here? Kasi nung hinawakan niya, napasigaw siya. Alright. Pandarin lang natin yung aircon. Nakaandar na yung aircon eh. Ano yun lang natin palakasin.
I really want to tip that whole bottle on my head.
Ha?
Really?
Yan no.
Mom, we're actually getting ice cream when we come back.
Yeah, we're gonna get ice cream sa Bad Knocks ba? Okay. Dito na kami sa Coles. Pinakuha ko si Sok ng isang cart. Tapos akin, eto.
Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.